Good morning, students of Standard 8. Welcome in day 27. As you know that in day 26, I have started a new topic, earthquake. Okay. So today I will continue to explain about earthquake. Okay. So kindly request to all of you, please sit with pen, notebooks, and science book and turn page number 209 and see the topic what is an earthquake. Okay, so today's topic is earthquake. Okay, the definition of earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the ground as a result of movements within earth crust which last for very short time. Okay, that means we can say that earthquake is a natural phenomena in which the layer of the earth has three layer: crust, mantle, core. That means the layer of crust shaking suddenly for a short interval of time. This is called earthquake. Okay, earthquakes keep occurring all the time. That means earthquakes keep occurring all the times. It will happen any times, but sometimes small, very less, and sometimes very destructive. Okay, but any time it is happen, that means it is very less in quantity, so we can't feel like this. Okay, a small ones are not even noticed. Okay, a small earthquakes we are not noticed about a small earthquakes, but however major earthquakes are much less frequent. That means major earthquake has are much less frequent. Earthquakes can be felt as a shock under your feet. Okay, you stand on the earth, ground on the earth or surface of the earth. So first you will feel earthquake, shocking of earthquake from your feet. Okay, or it may be very powerful and destructive, enough to flatten an entire city. That means the intensity of earthquake is maybe more powerful and it is destructive enough to flatten an entire city. That means due to earthquake, the whole city can be damaged for few times. Okay, for a few seconds. They can happen everywhere, land or sea. The bottom layer of the sea is also earth, soil. So earthquake may be happen in land as well as sea. Where the earthquake happens in sea, then tsunami occurs. Okay. The ground movement caused by earthquakes can have several types of damaging effects. Okay, the ground movements caused by earthquake, due to earthquake, ground moves can have several types of damaging effects. So let us see which type of damaging due to earthquake. Student, see here, major causes, major damage due to earthquakes, and these are, see point 1, earthquake causes damage of the buildings, bridges and dams. Okay, so we can say that when earthquake occurs, then our buildings, dams and bridges will be affected and it may be broken or damaged. Okay. Second point, earthquake is many cases can cause great loss of life. Due to earthquake, people suffer very loss from properties and economically. Okay. Due to earthquake, people suffer many problems. They lost their houses, they lost their economically. Okay, that means we can say that earthquake, due to earthquake, people lost great their loss. Okay, and the third part is it can also cause floods and landslides. Due to earthquake, floods and landslides occurs. Okay, landslides triggered by earthquake. That means in earthquake, I will discuss later why earthquake happens. Okay, earthquake will happen due to sliding of tectonic plates which is found in the earth crust layer. Okay, so we can say that the layer of or tectonic plates of earth crust may slide over each other. Okay, so we can say that landslide triggered by earthquake often cause more destruction than the earthquake itself. Okay, and the fourth damaging tidal waves. I have discussed about earthquake will happen land as well as sea. Okay, so when the earthquake occurs in sea, then tidal waves, which is called tsunamis, that is large wave on the surface of the sea. Due to shaking of the bottom layer of the earth in the sea, the tidal wave forms a large wave. Okay, can cause major damage to shoreline areas, that means coastal areas. So due to tsunamis, coastal areas are more affected and it will damage very huge. In 2004, major tsunamis hit the Indian coast, which brought great damage to life and properties. You have listened by your elders. In 2004, tsunami occurred and it is very dangerous, and due to this tsunami, very Indians lost their, which are near about shoreline, they lost their life and property. Students, today I have discussed about earthquake and greater loss due to earthquake. Okay, what are the greater loss due to earthquake? So students, today's class is over. Now it's time for your homework. Write down homework. Okay. See you student. This is your homework for day 27, and today I have given only one question. See question number 1. Define earthquakes. Define earthquakes. Second question. Write the effect of an earthquake. Okay. Question number 1. Define earthquake. Write the effect of an earthquake. Okay. That means you have mentioned. You will just define the definition of earthquake, and you will mention 3 or 4 points due to effect of earthquakes. Okay. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.